Our firm regularly represents landlords in Lake County, Illinois in forcible entry and detainer actions, more commonly known as eviction cases. One of the most common problems that we see on these matters is service of a 5-day notice. Under the Illinois statute, a landlord cannot file a case in court to have a tenant removed from a property until they have first given the tenant a 5-day notice and an opportunity during those 5 days to pay all of the rent which is then due and owing. Some of our tenants will come to us having already prepared that 5-day notice themselves. Sometimes they will ask us for assistance, and we're certainly willing to help them with that process. But the bigger issue, more so than preparing the notice, is how to get it served upon the tenant. The law allows several different methods, including sending the notice by certified mail with return receipt. We generally don't recommend that method, as many tenants will refuse to sign the green card. It also allows for service by posting on a door, but only if the property has been abandoned and the tenant no longer resides in the property. So in most cases, the posting option does not work either. The best method for serving a 5-day notice is personal service upon the tenant or upon someone living with the tenant who is at least 13 years of age. Many of our clients will have some hesitation about seeing a tenant in person and having to hand them a notice, because that can sometimes be a bit uncomfortable. And in those cases, when they are unwilling to do that, we will hire a private process server to serve that 5-day notice for them. We often run into situations where our clients say, well, I put the 5-day notice in the mailbox, or I slipped it underneath the door, or I hung it on the garage door or the screen door, and I'm pretty sure the tenant got it because they called me or emailed me or something to that effect. But even if you have some sort of acknowledgement of receipt, simply trying to serve the notice by one of those methods is not effective. It is best to have the notice served personally upon the tenant, unless you have a very specific provision in the lease which allows service by some method other than personal service. If you have a tenant who is not paying you rent and you need to have them removed from property that you own, we would be glad to assist you with filing an eviction case and making sure that you follow all the proper legal procedures to do so, as failure to serve a notice properly can result in your case being delayed several weeks or even a few months. If you need assistance, you can reach us here at 847-599-9101. Thank you.